Hello and welcome to the introduction of this Facebook video ads training and Facebook ads training. Now in this short introduction I want to have with you an overview of what we will going to cover in this course and to show you exactly what we will learn in this course. So without no further ado, let's dive into the actual introduction. What we will cover in this course? Well, the first thing that we will cover is a Facebook ads overview. So what we will do in this Facebook ads overview, we will show you exactly how you can create a new Facebook ads account. We will show you exactly how the Facebook ads interface looks like and what you can do there. Then we will go also into how to set up a Facebook pixel, how to install that Facebook pixel for tracking on your websites, and how to use it afterwards. We will also discuss about audiences, what type of audiences we have and how we can use these audiences for better targeting so that we can scale our businesses. Then we will go also into Facebook campaigns and ads creation. We will talk about the differences between campaigns, ad sets and ads, and we will discuss about how to create different campaigns and ads. Then we will also discuss about how you can create a video ad just by using PowerPoint. And that will be as you will see, a very efficient manner. And then we will go into how to set up a 7 days ads launch campaign for different products or services that you want to offer. And then we will basically end the course with this final section in which we will cover reports and optimization, because obviously to get better results from your Facebook ads campaigns you need to be able to analyze and interpret reports, and after that to be able to optimize based on the results that you have. So this is what we will cover in this training, and I am 100% sure that you will find it very helpful. Now, before diving into the actual information, I want to discuss with you a few things before we start. So what you need to know from the beginning is the fact that you always need to respect the Facebook terms of service. If you don't want to get your account suspended, we don't recommend you to do anything outside the terms of services, because otherwise we cannot guarantee that your account will not be suspended or that you will not be able to use certain functions of it. Video ads gives us a huge advantage, and that's why we wanted to cover more things regarding to video ads in this training, because it helps us to build rapport faster and to get our audience engaged. Based on our experience, they are very effective, and probably they are let's say, if not the most effective ads that you can use on Facebook. Another thing that we wanted to cover is the fact that when buying traffic, it's important to understand that longer campaigns perform better and are more cheaper than shorter campaigns or just tests that you'll probably do along the way. Now, why is that? Because it gives the algorithms time to get optimized. This is not something which applies only to Facebook, but applies in general for media buyers or on any platform that you would like to create ads. Now, this was everything that we wanted to share with you in this introduction. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next lecture and video. Bye bye for now. It was Sorin here.